Obviously, at the moment we are still mainly sellers in the market, and to be able to be doing that, we need to be filling up buildings, and that's all tied into up-picking markets. So we see there's clearly an improvement in occupational markets in a lot of areas that have maybe seen less interest in the last few years. So we see quite a good interest, for instance, in some of the Polish regional markets. We see interest, obviously, in the UK markets, also outside of London, but also in Italy. We have clearly an uptick in leasing activity, and that's supporting from our side of the activity that we have in terms of preparing property for sale. But I think we also see that supporting the case for new investors that are entering into the market, that are dependent on those messages and are dependent on being able to be buying core plus value add in those markets. So they will be finding the answers, and the incentive is to be looking into those markets. Asset management spread across different markets will become more important. We are seeing that there is clearly understanding also compared to the last cycle from the people that are entering these markets and are taking on board a more core plus view. They understand that this will need to be delivered and not only underwritten. So I think there's a difference also to what we've seen in potential cycles before. So asset management is going to be key to this.